A look inside the new iPhone 15 will give you a better idea of what it has to offer. Although this device receives a lot of praise for its impressive features, there are a few things that need to be taken into consideration. Let us now take a closer look at the iPhone 15's real issues, in order to see how they can be addressed. The first issue is overheating. There have been a few complaints from users that claim the iPhone 15 overheats a lot. It is being experienced by some people, but not by all of them. In terms of Apple, they have not yet made an official public statement about the reason behind this. You will find a number of things here that may be of interest to you. It has been reported that a lot of famous Apple analysts such as Ming-Chi Kuo have revealed this information regarding what Apple can do about the heating issue occurring with the iPhone 15 Pro. There is a lot of heat dissipation area on the A17 Pro, but it is not very efficient and quite small compared to other cooling devices. There is no doubt that this device heats up. Further, some were thinking that TSMC's 3nm based A17 Pro Bionic is responsible for this. Even though that processor is quite powerful, it does not have much room to heat. The titanium frame may also contribute to this. It is important to note that the iPhone has a titanium frame all the way around. Titanium does not conduct heat well. The heat is trapped in this way. It's also why some people experience heat issues. It is still true, however, that not everyone was able to experience these problems. Many people have reported experiencing heating problems while using Instagram. It is not known why this is happening. Maybe Apple knows. Updates have been also released by Apple. A17 Pro Bionic may also be slowed down in order to control thermal issues, causing Apple to lower the speed of the device. The thermal system needs to be tightened up. In order to achieve the maximum performance of the A17 Pro Bionic, throttles will be used to reduce the speed. As a result, the speed will be limited so as to save on the heating. Additionally, this will improve the performance of the system as well. Second issue is discoloration. Several reports have also indicated that there have been issues with the color of the iPhone 15, but there have not been any official complaints or reports made in regards to this issue. It is a well-known fact that titanium is a smooth material, so when we touch it with our fingerprints are left behind on the surface. It is inevitable that fingerprints will appear on titanium due to the natural oils that are produced by our fingers, and they can easily be removed by simply wiping the titanium with a soft cloth. It is likely that these myths and rumors came from a few people who were not tolerant of their own fingerprints on their iPhone 15. The fingerprints are not permanent, and any marks left behind can be removed with little effort. This is because titanium is highly resistant to corrosion and oxidation. This makes it an ideal material for a wide range of applications. It is therefore fair to say that color distortion may not have been a reality. The third issue on the iPhone 15 is battery loss. Even though the iPhone 15 is touted to have a battery life of up to 12 hours, some users have reported unexpected drains. There is a feeling as if the phone decided to take an untimely power nap, leaving you to sort things out on your own. This can even happen when the phone is not in use, which can cause some users in doubt the phone's battery life. According to Apple, users can resolve the issue by turning off the throttling in their phones and resetting their phone's settings. It is also recommended that users update the software on their phones to the latest version if the problem persists in order to ensure optimal performance. If all else fails, users should be able to get assistance from Apple customer service by contacting the company. The fourth issue is camera quirks. It is undeniable that the iPhone 15's camera is one of the best in the world, but some users have observed autofocus issues, as well as odd color rendering under certain lighting conditions. These issues are caused by lighting conditions, but it does not mean the camera has any problem. You shouldn't be surprised if your selfies don't always turn out exactly as you expect. To get the most out of the device, Apple recommends that users experiment with different lighting conditions or adjust the settings on the camera to take advantage of the device's capabilities. The iPhone 15 is still an impressive device with a ton of impressive features, despite the fact that it is a bit expensive. As a solution to these problems, Apple offers regular software updates as well as improvements to its products. There have also been bug fixes and security updates released by Apple. Clearly, Apple has spent a lot of time and effort making the iPhone 15 reliable and secure. As As far as smartphones go, there is no perfect one, but there is no doubt that the iPhone 15 is one of the best choices for Apple fans. The best thing you can do is to take advantage of everything it has to offer and enjoy it to the fullest. So hopefully, Apple is going to resolve these issues, as it shows that there are not maniacs who play with the psyche of their users. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more exciting tech videos. See you in the next one.